Onye nkem. Now, as you drive your car, over time, contaminants such as water, dust, dirt can make its way into your car's engine through the air induction system. When these contaminants make their way into your engine, they will cause your engine oil to oxidize or thicken, thereby decreasing the performance capability of that engine oil. So my guy, make sure that you regularly schedule engine oil change to protect your car from expensive and easily preventable engine damage. Could have been late. You are doubting what I'm saying. Well, continue in that your ignorance. My engine up in unplanned engine hookup. And that is my tip for today. See you another time.